Let's be real, everyone uses WhatsApp every single day. But do you know that you could actually make over $80 every single week from it? Even if you don't have a big audience or a website. In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful ways people are making real money on WhatsApp right now, and exactly how you too can start making money from today. I'll be giving you step-by-step procedure. Stick around till the end because I'll show you a bonus strategy that can double your income using the same WhatsApp account you are using on your phone. Now let's dive in. The number one I'll talk about is for you to sell products or services. You see, the fastest way to make your first $80 is to sell something. Oh yes, you can do this entirely through WhatsApp. WhatsApp is very magical. You can sell physical products like shoes, food, perfumes, or electronics, or digital products like ebooks, templates, or online courses. You can even offer services like video editing, graphic designing, or website designing. Here is what you are supposed to do. Create a WhatsApp business account. This gives you catalogs, auto replies, and a more professional look. Add your products, prices, and payment options. Then you post your items or offers on your WhatsApp status daily. That's free advertising for you. Use mobile money, Paystack, or PayPal to receive payments. Let me give you this pro tip. Create a free mini landing page with system.io or card.co, and then you link it to your WhatsApp for free, easy ordering. The second one I'll talk about is affiliate marketing. This requires zero investment. This one is perfect if you don't have your own products to sell and make money. Affiliate marketing is simple, promoting other people's products and services, and then you earn commission for each sale you make. No stress. You see, I personally started doing affiliate marketing when I didn't have any product of my own to make money from. One thing I like about affiliate marketing is that you can start even if you don't have any capital to start. Here's what you are supposed to do. Join affiliate sites like Digistem, Impact, Seller.co, Jumia, or Konga affiliate marketing. Then you copy your affiliate link. Share it on your WhatsApp status, WhatsApp groups, and broadcast lists with short, curiosity-driven messages. So you can write a copy like, for example, this simple app pays me $20 daily. I just tested it. DM me if you want the link. Myself, I'm a member of One Affiliate Marketing, Digistem. I'll leave a link in the description. Click on it to register and start making money by promoting it. The number 3 I'll talk about is for you to create and sell digital courses or trainings. If you know something valuable, teach it. You know something that a lot of people don't know, and you can just package what you know into a digital product and make money from it. What you do with ease, others do it with please. People pay for knowledge. You could teach people how they can make money online. You could also teach them how they can edit videos on their phones, or how they can create an international payment platform. You can also write an ebook and sell and make money. Get a topic people could like to read. Write a 30 to 40 pages. Market it and make money. These are all digital products you can make money from. How do you then start? Offer a free WhatsApp class to attract people. Then promote your VIP paid course. You can host it on Zoom, Telegram, or even Google Drive. Use broadcast list or group to communicate and collect payment. So the number 4 I'll talk about is for you to build and monetize WhatsApp communities. You can also earn weekly from your own WhatsApp groups. How do you do that? You can create a niche group. For example, it could be business niche, tech niche, or online income tips. Then you can make money by charging a monthly access fee like $5 or $10 depending on you. You can then run paid ads or promotions inside the group you have created. Then you can also start selling your own products or affiliate offers. For example, you can write a short copy. Let's say, join my $50 monthly VIP business tips group, daily online income hacks. Let me also give you a pro tip. All you need to do is to start free. Build trust. After building trust, then you can offer a VIP version with more value, and you are going to make so much money. The fifth way you can make money on WhatsApp is the WhatsApp status monetization. You see, a lot of people are making money from their WhatsApp status views. Do you just post funny stuffs on your status and catch cruise? Your WhatsApp status is actually your free advertising space, and people are already watching it. Your status is like your TV. When you post, people watch every day, and it's an opportunity to start advertising people, products, and services, and then you cash out. You make money. If you can get 500 daily status views, you can first charge people small fees to advertise their products and services. You can also promote people affiliate links. You can also drive traffic to your YouTube or TikTok page or any of the social media platforms. How can you now get over 500 status views? If you want to learn, type in the comment section WhatsApp monetization. Just type WhatsApp monetization. The last but not the least way you can make money on WhatsApp is for you to offer WhatsApp marketing services. This is one of the most in-demand digital services right now. Yes, you can manage WhatsApp marketing for small business owners. What are you going to do? All you need to do is to set up auto replies for people, create broadcast messages for people, organize contact lists, manage people WhatsApp catalogs, and you can charge over $20 to $100 monthly per client depending on the workload. The last one I'll talk about is for you to sell information or leads. This one is old school but is still powerful. If you have access to valuable contacts, job opportunities, or verified supplier lists, package and sell that information. I've made so much money from this strategy. Yes, so you can write a short copy and share it. You can write something like get verified electronic suppliers for only $20 or $30 depending on you. Let me give you a pro tip. Always verify your information before selling to maintain trust and then get repeated buyers. Let me give you a bonus strategy. Combine WhatsApp with other platforms. WhatsApp works best when you combine it with other traffic sources. Use YouTube or TikTok to drive followers into your WhatsApp group. You can also use Facebook ads to send new leads straight into your WhatsApp chats, or build a simple landing page to collect emails and move them to WhatsApp for conversation. Do this and you can easily hit your $80 weekly consistently. So now you know exactly how to make $80 every week using just your WhatsApp and then your smartphone. Which of these methods do you want to try first? Tell me in the comment section. I'm waiting for you. Let me know which of this strategy you want to try first. Don't forget to like this video to show me some love, and then also check the playlist on my channel for more WhatsApp money making tutorials. I have plenty videos on how you can make money using WhatsApp. Check my playlist. You will see all these videos.